There are a lot of fans of Kun Khmer boxing can understand about the history of winning championship title, twice of the same boxing matches on TV program in Cambodia, but some Cambodian people don't know yet. So today Facts Buzzing would like to select the Khmer martial art boxing, who got the twice local titles champion in the same TV program in Cambodia. One. Rourng Sophorn. The Cambodia top martial art boxing Rourng Sophorn was born in Kondal Provice of Cambodia. His weight 69 kg and his tall 165 cm. Rourng Sophorn is the top martial art boxing in Cambodia, and the fans call him Fire Punch and Thunder Kick. Also used to win twice title of local championship of Red Bull at CNC Program TV in Cambodia. Rourng Sophorn won the first title of Red Bull at CNC TV in 18 June 2016 after defeated Pich Seyha in the second round by TKO. And the second title of Khmer Rourng Soporn is won in January 13, 2018 after win Kun Thia Opor from Thailand in 4 round by KO. Two. Yen Dena. The young Cambodia top fighter Yen Dena was born in Kos Kong Province in Cambodia, his weight 63.5 kg and his height 170 cm. Yen Dena has won the local title 2 times in Red Bull competition at CNC TV program in Cambodia. For the first Red Bull champion title, he won in the 19th September in 2015 after he defeated Chnak Kai Sarah Kim from Loa by KO. And the second Red Bull title championship of Yen Dena is gotten in 14 July 2018 after he won Kun Thia Opor from Thailand by judge decision. Kun Khmer! 3. Thia Opor. Thia Opor was born in 1989 at Kondal Province in southern Cambodia. His weight 63.5 kg and his tall 170 cm. Thia Opor is a top Khmer martial art boxer where come to lay Dam Ray Mean Rith Club in Phnom Penh. He also used to won twice local title of Carabav Championship in Bayan TV program. Thia Opor is a boxer who is good at punch-a-punch and using elbow to kill his competitors. The first Carabav's championship title, which he has won, in 16 June 2016. After he won Kun Khmer Kim Dima by judge decision. And the second of his championship title is in 27 May 2018 after he won Kun Khmer Loa Chetra by judge decision. 4. Loa Chetra. Loa Chetra is the A class of Kun Khmer boxing in Cambodia. He was born in Kampong Spir Province of Cambodia. His weight 61.2 kg and his tall 175 cm. Loa Chetra is also won twice title of local championship for IC Palm at PNN TV program in Cambodia. For the first title of IC Palm won in 9 June 2019 after defeat Kong Siam from Thailand in round 2 by KO. And the second champion title in 13 October 2019 by defeated Kun Khmer boxing Lorn Pan Nar in round 2 by KO.
បាទមានស្នាមបែក
លើចិត្តរាទទួលបានជ័យជំនះដោយកីឡាករបង្គោលគ្រឿងសន្លប់នៅក្នុងទឹកទី2
Thank you for watching our videos. We will create the best videos more, so please subscribe my channel and click on notifications for the next videos.